in my life. She plays various roles in various times. She becomes a mentor to me when when she helps me in choosing different paths, and she becomes a best friend for me when I need her. She does various work for me which cannot be described in words, and she helps me in everything. She's the one who I cannot live my life without her. Live my life without her. I just want to thank her and request her not to leave me and help me in various ways. Thank you.
My mother is one of the best person in my life. She is like a best friend for me. She always helps me in many things. She sometimes scolds me if I do some mistakes to correct me, and she makes me to learn some new things. And if I do naughtiness, she scolds me sometimes, and she sometimes stays with me. Thank you. The important role of my mother in my life is that she gave me birth and took care of me and my family, and she made for us tiffin and does all the household chores, and she gave me good education and took pain and struggle for me. Thank you. And my mother is very great.
My mother is a very humble person. She helps me in everything, in studies, everything. She says that you must do hard work to get success. She is a very wonderful person. She says me thoughts. She says me thoughts which improve me. I love my mother. Thank you God for giving me such a wonderful mother.
My mother's name is Sushma H. She is a working woman as assistant professor in Central University of Karnataka. After I lost my father at the age of 11, she is very strong and handles me and my sister both, and she loves us. She is the most best person in my life. She loves me. She takes care of me and my sister. And even handles the home and outside work also. I can share my feelings and emotions with her, and I can trust her, and a few times I share my feelings and emotions with her because I can't trust anyone more than my mom. Thank you.
Start.
My mother is very humble person. She does all the work in her house. She does she handles even the house, and she does tailoring, and she's very strong woman. She's very strong woman, and she cooks very well, and I'm great to have them like this mother.
Start.
My mom supports me in every problem. She is best mom. She takes care of me and my brother. She controls the family. She supports in all the problems. I share with her all feelings. I trust her very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Start.
My mother is a very humble woman. She always loves me, but sometimes when she gets angry, she scolds me. She controls the family very nicely, and she plays a very important role in our family.
Start.
My mother is very important for me. She helps me in every role. She takes care about me and her house. She takes care about family. She helps us in everything, and she takes care of us. I love her, and she will love me. Thank you.
Start. My mom is a very good and humble person. She handles whole family in our home. She keeps home clean. She keeps home clean and she supports me in everything. I share everything with my mom, and my mom is my strength and love. Thank you.
Start.
My mother plays an important role in my life. She does not treat me like a mother. She treats me like a best friend. She is the world's best mother. I thank God for giving such a woman.
My mother is a humble person. She is a god for me, and she helps me in many ways. She take care me and my whole family. Thank you.
Start.
My mother cares me a lot. Not only me, my family, everyone. She know what I like, and she understands me. She always care me and never say what never do what matlab, never say something about me. She is a very kind person. I wish I can become like her. Thank you.
My mother is a very humble person. She cannot leave. She not leave me alone, and she is very she is a very kind person, and she does, and she cannot. And she handles my whole family and my brothers and sisters. She is very strong and she is very bold. I wish I also can be like my mother. Thank you.
World's best woman in my life is my mother. She takes care of me and helps me in every situation. And she's very kind to me. I share my every emotions and feelings to her. She helps me in doing my homework. I'm very lucky to have her in my life. I'm very inspired of her, and
Start. I'm very thankful.
I'm very thankful for my mother. She'll take care for me every day and my family.
I cannot lose.
She'll take care for my family to help.
Okay, thank you.
My mother is a very humble person. I share my all feelings and emotions with her. She knows everything about me, and I love her very much. These are a few words which I say about my mother.